You guys, if you're on the fence about ordering this fountain, just order it. It's the most adorable little fountain. It works fantastically well. It's the perfect size for my bird bath. It was easy to assemble. I had it together in minutes. It's only been in this fountain for maybe 2 or 3 minutes, and it's in total shade, and it's still working. I was really surprised that it actually worked in the shade. I didn't think it would do anything. And I picked the lowest nozzle setting because I didn't want a tall spray. I was worried that it would empty out the bird bath. So I picked something low, so it just made a little bit of soft noise, kind of some water movement, something that may not scare the birds away as fast. And it's just perfect. It's just perfect. And I can't wait to see what it does in the full sun when the sun comes up tomorrow. It's beautiful. You guys should order it.
Now it's going up continuously and getting higher and higher because the sun is out, and now you have your magical fountain.
Get it, Coco.
This fountain works great. That's solar powered. Off of Amazon. Get yours now.
And here we go, a full sun blast, sprinkling. That's adorable. It's gonna be pretty in the summer when all the roses are blooming around. Pretty, pretty. Yeah.
My little fountain works.
Hi everyone, so I just wanted to show you my fountain and my bird bath. And one of the things that I recognized early on was that if I used the fountain attachment that went very far up into the air, the wind would blow it off to the side and it would empty out the water very quickly. One of the reasons was that it also floated toward the edge of the bird bath, and it was at the mercy of the wind, and like I said, it would empty out rather quickly. So one of the things that I did was I completely removed the sprinkly head and just went with no attachment on the fountain, and as you can see, it still comes up into the air, not as far, and as a result doesn't blow out of the bird bath. The other thing I did was to solve the floating problem, I took a bowl and I drilled holes into the bowl so that the water would come in at the bottom. I also put two slate coasters into the bottom of the bowl so that it would weight down the bowl, and then I just put the fountain into the middle of the bowl, and it just stays right in the middle of the bird bath. It doesn't go up so far that the wind catches it and brings it out over to the side and empties it out, but it's still functioning as a fountain attraction to a bird bath. Thank you.